Welcome to Dasscom, a made-in-India brand dedicated to building technology that connects, empowers, and transforms businesses.
Hello everyone, at Hubris Technologies, our brand Dasscom is proud to be India's leading name in IP-based public address system and VIP system. Our journey started with a vision to provide communication simple, easier and reliable. Today our solution helps many schools, offices, industries, hospitals stay connected and safe across the country. As a part of Make in India mission, we are the first Indian company to manufacture IP-based public address system and VIP system.
Our teams work tirelessly to ensure that every product meets the highest standards of quality and performance.
So my job over here is quite simple. What we are trying to do over here is turn great technology into a famous brand. Make in India is a challenge and making a brand is a challenge, and I would like to take that challenge head on. So over here we have our own R&D team which provides innovation, and we are regularly customizing products. We are experimenting with new products and bringing out new technologies into the industry. So accordingly, I think Dasscom has the potential and it has the technology which can take it to great heights.
Dasscom offers a comprehensive suite of communication and networking solutions designed to meet the evolving needs of enterprises and institutions.
At Dasscom, my focus on R&D to create innovative, more reliable and powerful voice over IP products. We work to make technology simple yet powerful. It is backed by our strong customer support. Our goal is to keep communication more innovative and affordable for all sectors of country.
Our customers trust us not just for the products, but the pre-sales consultation to post-installation assistance we deliver every single day. Innovation drives us forward. Our R&D teams work continuously to make future-ready solutions so that our clients are always ahead of the curve in communication and networking technology.
Hi everyone. I know we are dealing in top VIP product, but honestly, it's my amazing team who make it all happen. Actually, we believe in culture where people feel valued, loved, and we grow together. But still we manage some fun along the way. In the operations side, my job is very simple. I have to make sure everything runs smoothly, products arrive on time, and nothing breaks down. Because if anything is break, who gets the call first? It's me. And that's how we keep Dasscom trusted and strongly running across the country. Thank you.
Hi everyone, at the Hubris Technology with our brand Dasscom, we don't just deliver VoIP and PA solutions, we build partners across the country. My role is to understand your needs, your requirements, and ensure our solutions drive your success.
From vision to execution, from innovation to delivery, Dasscom is shaping the future of communication and connectivity.
Our local manufacturing not only support Indian innovation, but also provide customer with strong, reliable and cost-effective technology. I think whatever we are doing over here, the innovation and the R&D, we have the technology and the potential to become the biggest brand in India.